Okay, hello once again, everyone. This is gonna be a take two. Now I'm at the mall that I actually wanted to go to, which is Vincom Metropolis, and this one is the one that's really big. So it's 6 something right now, like 6-ish, and that's what the traffic here looks like. It's actually, a lot of it's just the street. I noticed. I'm not sure which street this is, but it's super packed and there's a tons of cars. So yeah, this is crazy. So here we are at Vincom Metropolis, and I'm just gonna go ahead and do my walking tour now of Vincom Metropolis in Hanoi. All right, here we go. Luckily, I remembered to bring my mask, and it was in my pocket. But when you go into the department stores, they make you put it on. So, ooh, this mall is pretty nice, very nice. I need to remember which floor I'm on. So it's by Uniqlo. I don't have too long today because I normally start work at night around 9 p.m. In the West Coast time, it's 7 p.m. So I don't have too much time. Probably mostly focus on finding something to eat. Alright. Oh. I think the elevators are on a sensor. If you get near it, it starts to move. That's very energy efficient. It smells nice. Alright, let's see what they have. Oh, they have the Americani udon. I might actually eat this. Al fresco's is not good. I highly do not recommend it. I thought the food was ugh. The ribs was super bland and just tastes like they stuffed it in an oven and put some sauce on it. It wasn't good at all. Karaoke singing booths. Pretty cool. The small is actually really small as well. This is it, I guess. Very strange. So the mall that I went to yesterday that I didn't film, I guess it was the biggest Vincom. It's really far out. This place is good. San Fu Lu. They do like duck noodles, chicken, rotisserie, that kind of thing. It's really good. And they have dim sum. I've never eaten there. It's like a Laos restaurant. Nhà hàng Lao. You got ice cream. This is Capricosia. I don't know how to pronounce it. More Italian. So I'm probably gonna go see the new Top Gun movie maybe next week. there's some kind of, oh, it looks like there's like some kind of event going for the, she's holding the thing of sliders. Pretty cool. Not sure what's going on. But, I need to look for something to eat. Matsuri. Doesn't look very busy, so I think I'm gonna avoid this one. Malls here are pretty I'm not sure what the weekends look like, but so far on the weekdays it's been really empty. In Saigon, the Vincom that I think it's on Dam Khai Street, the one that I always go to, it's always busy. Like, I mean, during lunch it's not as busy, but like during the rest of the time it's really busy. So yeah, I mean, Hanoi is more like chill, not as crowded. Alright, gonna go down. Paris baguettes. Dozu sushi. I was trying to like scan the bottom, see if there's anything else to eat. But I don't think there is. There's a coffee in a bakery. Udon bojjang. Bukkake? Sukiyaki? Just seeing if there's anything I want to eat. Kind of like, sometimes it takes me forever to make up my mind, but I don't think I have much options here. There's only those options. What's Vid Street? There's really nothing on here that looks too interesting for me that I am in the mood for.